Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, The Creative Dream. Today my video is about mehndi designs for girls. My video is about mehndi designs. These all designs are very beautiful, modern and aesthetic. You know, it's a very wedding season, that's why I have thought to share with you unique, modern and simple mehndi designs for you. So I have collected all these designs for you. If you are liking my video, then subscribe my YouTube channel, like, share and comment. I hope you are liking my video. For more these videos, subscribe my YouTube channel. These designs are too much beautiful, so elegant. These designs are so beautiful, so elegant, just looking like a wow. Okay friends, we will meet in next coming my video with new designs. Thank you so much for watching my video. Okay friends,